PickUp Patrol is a convenient app that allows parents to submit changes to their students' regular dismissal plan, eliminating the need for notes and phone calls. PickUp Patrol saves time for the school office and reduces classroom interruptions. Most importantly, it helps ensure that dismissal changes are authorized and that students depart safely to their correct after-school destinations. To register, use the link in the email your school sent you. Create a password, and then log in. Read and accept the terms to start using the app. PickUp Patrol can be used on your computer or smartphone. It is not downloaded from the App Store. Instead, you'll be adding it to your home screen. Once you add it to your home screen, it will function just like other apps on your phone. If you need help doing this, follow the instructions in your registration email. When you first log in, you will be asked to confirm your student's default plan. A default plan is the way they normally get home from school. Tapping on the default icon will take you here. You can see that Olivia's default plan is to take bus 1 home every day. To set up a default plan, tap on Update, and then select Monday. A default plan is selected from the drop-down menu. Then, the days of the week that the plan applies to are selected and saved. Students can follow the same plan every day, or they can follow different plans on different days of the week. Now the school will know how to accurately dismiss your student on a regular day. For those days when plans change, for example, let's say your student needs to leave early for an appointment or they are getting picked up instead of taking the bus, you'll use PickUp Patrol to notify the school of this change. Here's how. Tap on Today at the bottom of your screen. This page displays your students' dismissal plans this week and next. You'll also see your school's cutoff time here. Changes need to be submitted before this time. This ensures that the school has time to process your submission. To submit a plan change, tap on the student's name. Then the drop-down arrow. Select a dismissal option and add a message if needed. If the plan change applies to several days, you can select additional days here. Then submit. Once submitted, you will get a confirmation email verifying that the plan was received by the school, and your student's teacher will inform them of the change. If the change is for a later date, tap the Change tab. Select a date and repeat the same steps. There is another tab at the bottom of your screen that takes you to a daily health screener. Tapping here will let you know if your school is requiring these submissions. You're now ready to use the PickUp Patrol app. If you haven't already, please set up your student's default plan. And if you have any questions, see the Settings tab for additional help.